Welcome back to the Philosophical Foundations of Judaism series. In this video, I want to discuss the concept of the oneness of God. What does it mean when we say there is one God or that God is one? And to be honest, it's kind of misleading because that's not an accurate description of the oneness of God. What we really mean to say when we say that there is one God or that God is one is really that there is no multiplicity in God. All right, so we already discussed previously in the infinite nature of God, since God does not exist within time and does not exist within space, so God can't be divided into sides, into parts. He just is. There is no left side of God and right side of God. There is no top and bottom. There is no beginning, whether in space or in time, and there is no end. God just is. It is existence. It's the primary being. Okay? So, when we say that God is one, what we're saying is that, well, since you can't differentiate between multiple things within a plane of existence, except for through its physical attributes on the X, Y, Z axis, which we have already discussed, then there is no possibility for there to be any other godlike being. So there is only one. If God can't be divided into parts or sides or sections, then he can't also be built up from different parts and sections. So he is also he is the uniquely simplistic being, as in he is not complex, as in he is not made of different parts. He is the ultimate oneness, the ultimate unity, the ultimate simplicity. What exactly does that mean? We'll discuss in the next videos. This is the idea I wanted to cover in this video.